How to enable Cash App card when disabled. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can enable Cash App card when disabled, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable Cash App card when disabled, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, say your Cash App card has been disabled because you've not really activated it. What do you do if you want to activate it? Well, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is once you've received your Cash App card, just come to this home page here, and then if you've already applied, just tap on your Cash App card icon. When you tap on it, you'll find the activate cash card, and then you can follow the prompts to scan or maybe manually enter your card information, and once this is done, your card will be activated and ready for use. But let's say that your card got blocked for some reason. In that case, to reactivate it, you can simply contact the customer care by tapping the profile icon from the top right, then just scrolling down over here, going to this option known as support. Tap on support, and then you'll be able to tap on the chat option. When you tap on chat, a live representative is going to get in touch with you as to how you can basically enable your Cash App card again. This way you can enable your Cash App card if it is disabled. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.